Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my video. In this video, we will print attributes of files in Python. One of the most helpful methods for gathering file metadata is the OS module's stat function. We will record file attributes using these steps. First, obtain the input file to process and print various metadata including make time, file size, group, and owner ID, and so on. So first I'm going to import OS module. And now I will set the file path of the file we want to get the stats for. I will use syslog file var log syslog. Now we are going to get stats by using OS stat function. I will name it file stat. os.stat, and we are going to pass in file path to it. And we will start printing file metadata, file mode, in-node properties, which returns the file permission and in-node as an integer respectively. And the device ID will refer to that device the file resides on. We can convert the integer value into major and minor device identifier using the OS major and OS minor methods. So let's try that. First, we are going to print file mode. This would be, I will use F string. And our file stat.st mode. And then we are going to print a file in node. This would be print file in node string. File stat.st ino. And then we are going to use the major and minor methods to convert this integer into major and minor devices identifiers. So over here, we are going to use os.major and get the major set to os dot major file stat dot st dev, and then minor by calling in os dot minor method, os dot minor and this will be file stat dot st underscore dev. And now we can print the device ID. So this will be print device ID in our f string. This will be file stat dot st dev. This will be print with the tab, and this will be major, and print the minor. Tab minor and minor. SD handling property returns a count of the number of hard links to the file. So we are going to print that. So this will be number of hard links. Print number of hard links. File stat dot st and link. We can print the owner and group information using the STUID and STGID properties. So we are going to print owner, user ID, and this will be file stat dot stuid print and now we are going to print group ID file stat dot stguid. We can also print file size. Print file size we can get file size by st size. So file stat dot st size. We can use the OS path module to extract more pieces of metadata. We can use it to determine whether a file is a symbolic link by using OS is link method. The OS path module can also gather the absolute path, check whether it exists, and get the parent directory. So let's try those. So here we are going to print is a symlink os dot path that is link in our file path, and absolute path os dot path dot apps path, and need to pass in file path and print. And file exists os dot path dot exists and pass in file path. And now print the parent directory. Parent directory. os dot path the directory name, and we are going to pass in file path. And now we can run our program. This is stgid. There is extra u. Need to remove that. And we can run our program. And here are our file attributes, metadata, or stats. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Awesome Code. Like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.